My name is Scott Howe, and I'm with the Hyste. We work with Layton Construction Company and the city of Desert Hot Springs to bring this project together. It's approximately 153 feet in diameter and 40 feet tall, so it's a ton of paint. Every mural is a conversational piece, and this is actually a landmark where now you're going to like the colorful water tower on that side of the facility, or if you're looking off of the freeway, you can see it, probably half a mile to a mile for sure. Dealing with the elements out here, we were notified that even these poles have been painted 3 times because of the wind factor. The wind blows out here so bad. When we were up top, it was 30, 40 miles per hour at times. We actually had to stop production. Our goal now is to add the MuralShield on there for great UV protection. As far as protecting the yellow and the red colors, those colors that are going to pop right there, we want them to last a long time.